Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working issue in Zangi Messenger step by step. If your camera is not opening during video calls or the app cannot access your camera, these simple fixes can help solve the problem. Let's get started. Zangi allows users to make voice and video calls, send messages, and share files. Sometimes the camera may stop working due to permission issues, outdated app versions, or device settings. Here are the best ways to fix it. Step 1. Check camera permissions. The most common reason is that the app does not have permission to use the camera. On Android, 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap Apps. 3. Select Zangi. 4. Tap Permissions. 5. Enable camera. After enabling the permission, reopen the app and try the video call again. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the Zangi app completely from the recent app screen. Then open it again. This refreshes the app and may fix temporary glitches. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes background processes interfere with the camera. Restart your device and then open Zangi again to check if the camera works. Step 4. Check if another app is using the camera. If another app is using your camera, Zangi may not be able to access it. Close apps like Instagram, Snapchat, Zoom, then try the video call again. Step 5. Update the app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Zangi and check for updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs affecting the camera. Step 6. Clear app cache, Android. 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap Apps. 3. Select Zangi. 4. Tap Storage. 5. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may cause camera problems. Step 7. Reinstall the app. If the issue still continues, 1. Uninstall Zangi. 2. Restart your phone. 3. Install the app again. Reinstalling resets the app and often resolves camera issues. And that's it. That's how you fix the camera not working issue on Zangi step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical app troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.